Hey, Tom. Oh, I heard there's a demon.
Yeah, I heard.
Oh, Jesus! Oh, there you go! Or is it a demon? Yeah! Oh! Run away, run away.
What happened here? Wait. Do you know what happened here? No. He died.
He must have died from that random group. Looks like there's much around here.
What's that? Demon written in blood on the wall.
I'm alive! Yay! What happened to him? Do you know what happened to him?
No.
Oh, he's alive! You okay? Demon, what happened? Sit down, sit down, sit down. It's okay. Tell me what happened. Did you get raped?
Behind you! It doesn't kill him! It doesn't kill him! Oh, get out! Run! Run! Run!
Oh my god! Do you see what happened?
No. I can't believe this.
Oh god!
Okay, let's stop the video now. I can't believe it.
Oh.
Can you believe it? What's this written on the wall? The demon lives inside the girl. What?
What's
No
happening?
girls around here, except for you.
Oh no! No! That means it was you, Charlotte! Oh my god! Yes! Now, take it off my man!
I'm sorry. I can't help it. I can't. I've got her. I can't. She won't go for. She will die a slow and painful death.
Nail.
Wait, no, but I can't die because the demon can't die.
Oh no! Demons can't die!
Shut up! Why not?
Oh!
You can't attack me! Get to the wall. You can hide inside the alleyway.
No! She's back! She's back! Yeah! Ah!
Do you know what's happened here? You killed everyone! Back. Where Britain is.
Did you see that? She just died. She just died! She died!
We must save this in a log.
Okay, this is Tom and James. We've just encountered a demon. We think she's dead now. Oh, man.